The main goal of getting others to promote for you. I'm going to tell you a story about how I got one of the biggest authorities in my niche to promote for me in a future lecture. But first, I want to talk briefly about the goal of getting affiliates in the first place. The main goal should be to build your audience. So each and every time an affiliate brings you a sale, you should be trying to add that customer to your email list. So if you have a Udemy course, you should have a bonus lecture that points to your lead capture page and encourages your students to join your email list. Same thing with Kindle. If you're a Kindle author, you should have a link at the front and the back of your book, and I would encourage you to make that link a lead capture page. And if you publish on JVZoo or on ClickBank or on Warrior Plus or on Warrior Payments, then you can easily add your customers to your email list automatically. So the main goal should be to build your list of customers one way or the other. So each and every time an affiliate brings you a sale, it's a snowballing effect. It's a compounding effect. This is the best way to build your audience in the long term, and it's so important on so many levels. Because it also allows you to return the favor in the future. Say that an affiliate agrees to promote your course. And what happens if they bring you 10 sales or maybe 20 sales? Do you think it would be nice to return the favor sometime down the road? The only way you can do that is if you have your own list. So this becomes a give and take thing in a perfect world. You know, if an affiliate promotes your product, you should aim to return the favor. The best way to do that is to help send sales to their products. And the only way to do that is if you have your own list. So once you begin to accumulate affiliates who are promoting for you, it may be prudent somewhere down the line to return the favor. Because if you never return the favor, do you think they're going to keep promoting for you? No. But on the other hand, if you help them promote their stuff, don't you see how this might be the start of a beautiful relationship? So without a list of buyers, it's very difficult to promote affiliate products. But with a list of buyers, it's feasible and very easy. So that's your main goal, because your list of buyers is, and always shall be, your greatest asset and your greatest reward. Never forget that, and never stop striving to build your buyers list. Thanks so much for checking this out. In the next lecture, I'm going to tell you a really, really cool way to break the ice. I look forward to that, and I will see you in the next lecture.